Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you have watched my previous video on my channel that I have posted about how I got placed in EY from campus. So yeah, I would like to thank all of you who have watched my video. So thank you so much for the love you all have given me. So one question I keep receiving it, like what do you do as a risk analyst at EY? So honestly, I had no idea about this role, like what exactly a risk analyst do. But now it's been around 10 months in EY. So I thought of making this video and let you know guys what exactly a risk analyst do. So if you're watching this video and if you're really interested in this profile, then this video is for you. Okay, so in simple words, what does a risk analyst actually do? So basically, in very simple words, I do take care of clients' cases and resolve queries and ensure that everything looks fine or not, and also the check the compliance process is being followed or not, and last
and helps to ensure that the right decision are being made or not. So yeah, in the simple word, this is it. Okay, so the second question is, if you are interested in becoming the risk analyst, so what skills do you need? So the first would be the good communication skills. The second would be, if you talk about the technical skills, then it would be the MS Excel, from the beginner level to moderate. I would not say for the advanced level, but yeah, you should know the basic MS Excel. And after that, like willingness to learn, and the analytical skills, and the problem solving mindset. So yeah, it's not important to know each and everything from day one, but yeah, being curious and eager to learn everything helps a lot. So now let's move to the another topic, and which is very important for you all, and obviously it's very important for everyone because it's a salary parts. So coming to my salary, so basically salary depends on the like various situations, like the location, from the like hiring process, from the campus or the off campus, and also depends on the experience level. So being a fresher, I think it's a very great opportunity to get into the big four. So for me, I don't think so. The initially package matters. That's it for the today's video. If you have any questions related to the EY, related to the career growth and on my placement journey, the salary part, the work from home thing, so please drop down in the comment section and I'll answer everything.
And one thing I really appreciate about EY, like the working exposure, the opportunity that they actually gives you, that is super good. In the learning phase, being in fresher, it's very important to work with the global clients and getting the exposure from the people, both professionally and uh, personally. You learn something new from them, and every project teaches you something new, and that will help you in the career and in life also. So yeah, the people even I met in my firm, they are really very supportive. They support a lot. Even my manager, she's really a good person, and she really supports me a lot. And initially, many people who supported me when I joined this firm. So yeah, everything is very good going on. So if you are also planning to get into Big Four, so let me know in the comment section what profile you are actually targeting, and I would love to answer you the things which you guys are looking for. And until then, see you in the next video, and I hope many people relate to this video, whatever I said in this video.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till now, take care. Bye.